Hey guys, this is Beyond Swing. In this video, we're going to discuss one of my best trades that I took back in September 2020. I will walk you guys through everything, including the analysis that I did, my buying and selling price, and much more. In the end, I'll share another such stock that is on my watch list and is looking good for a breakout. So make sure to watch the video till the end. The stock that I'm referring to is Godrej Properties. I discussed everything about this stock in greater detail on my IG, but I thought a video covering it would be nice as well. I added this to my watch list after I saw the stock starting to continue its upward trend with formation of fresh higher highs. This was a swing trade and the holding period of this position was somewhere close to 3 weeks. Made around 40,000 on this position, so by far the best trade I've ever made over my last 4 years of trading journey. So let's go over the actual chart and see why did I buy the stock in the first place. First, let's take a look at daily time frame. As you guys can see, the stock is in a clear uptrend with formation of higher highs. We broke above this previous resistance over here and we started forming higher highs. So see, we took support over here. I bought the stock somewhere in this region when we started to consolidate. Over on the daily, you can also notice there is some sort of a upward channel formation, something like this. So I thought to myself, if we broke above this trend line over here, the move could be massive as we are already trading at all-time highs. So that was my entire notion over on the daily time frame. Like the trend was positive, so I was looking to get into buying opportunities. Over on the 4-hour chart, you can see we started an uptrend with the break of this counter trend line. First higher over here, higher low, another higher high, another higher low. Then we were obviously looking forward to make another higher high. So that's why I was looking to get into Godrej Properties. Over on the 1-hour chart, you can see we were in sort of a downtrend, but as I always say, the higher the time frame, the better. So the daily and the 4-hour time frame were already showing positive momentum. So I was looking to get into buying opportunities, not selling. So the buy opportunity came with the break of this trend line and with the break of this previous higher low level. Like we started forming a support over here, then we started consolidating. I entered somewhere over on this candle with this engulfing candle, and if I show you guys the volume as well, you can see we have expanding volume as well. Perfect case of a trade. So I entered this somewhere over here. My stop loss was of course somewhere below this swing low, I guess. Yes. So I entered here. I was not expecting it to move in such a quick fashion. My targets were somewhere over here, almost a 1-to-1 trade, but the price started moving so quickly, so I held on to it. Now let's talk about the exit as well. As you guys can see, the price was starting to show some big engulfing candles. Reality index was approaching resistance, an indication that there might be some short-term selling as well. Godrej Properties is a major participant of the reality index. Another reason is that price has risen up so much in the short period, so a bit of correction should not come out as a surprise. Now, as I promised, another stock that is on my watch list for a breakout is Alkyl Amines. As you guys can see, we have broken above this counter trend line with engulfing candles nonetheless. And look at the volumes as well. This is a clear indication of an uptrend. We have already broken above the previous higher low levels with this smaller channel over here. This is an indication of an early uptrend. The targets that I'm expecting to see is 28 to 30%. Now let's take a look at 4-hour time frame as well. As you guys can see, we are starting to consolidate. This is actually a great indication of an uptrend. Like we broke out the counter trend line. Now again start making some sort of a flag type formation, which is essentially a continuation of an uptrend. We might see a bit more consolidation, something like this. Then we form another trend line. If you guys want, you can enter with the break of this secondary trend line over here. I hope this video showed you some insight as to what to look out for while selecting stocks to buy. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys would love to see me going over some of my other good trades as well. As always, any suggestion and feedback is welcome in the comment section. I'll see you guys next week with another educational video covering stock market. Hey guys, if you're new here, you can check out my Instagram where I post regular market updates, my personal trades and stocks that I'm looking to buy. One post daily at 6 p.m. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to check out.